me. Hope you happy when you see the nigga doing bigger things. Hope you happy when you see the nigga again and again. They said I'm wasting my time, but it's the best.